So far, so good. The turkey's been camped out in my backyard for this big snowstorm. It's below zero right now, and with the winds about minus 10 to 12. That was my injured friend Tom up there in the tree. He just flew down for some scratch grain. But hopefully they stay here tonight. Nice and safe in these trees. This is the first time they're seeing this amount of snow in their couple years on this planet. The last few winters been pretty mild. Supposed to get over 20 inches. So I've been watching over them. Alrighty, I'll do another update later. I've been coming out every hour and a half, 2 hours. And they're not going far. I wish they would just sleep here tonight instead of trekking up the mountain. Okay, guys. Stick around here. You'll be safe. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. I'll do another video later. It's freezing. I gotta get in. Bye.